it talks about who you really be. And I have a couple of questions I want to ask. That among 7.6 billion people presently on this earth, why is it that only you have your fingerprint? Why is it that it's only you that has your vocal range? Why is it you that only your retina and your eye can open locks? It's because time has been taken to make you uniquely you. Now let me even bust your brain a little more. Among 70 billion people that have come before, there is no one that is quite like you. And why is that so? Do you think it's just for you to come here and have a job and have a work and have wife and strife and think you've lived your life? No. It's for you to be who you're supposed to be, who you be. Who you be, and until you know who you be, you cannot totally be free to see the things that you're supposed to. Find out who you be and be who you know.